This is an awesome piece of tech, but there are some flaws like in terms of the software, and that is why now the wait starts for the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 11 Pro. So there are two devices in the works and the naming is not final yet. They may call the cheaper variant as 11R and the expensive one as 11, but 11 and 11 Pro would make more sense. This is your live look at the OnePlus 11R and it is gonna be a flagship killer. So OnePlus is using similar design language like the OnePlus 10 Pro, so a squarish module containing triple cameras and a flash. The best part is curved display is finally coming back. Here last time we saw curve in non-Pro was back with the OnePlus 8, and now with the 11R it is center hole punch plus curved edge finish. My smart price is it is the OnePlus 11, but Max claims it is 11R, so not sure which device it is, but the specifications are fantastic. So the 11R is coming with a powerful 8 Plus Gen 1 silicon which is based on TSMC 4nm process, a 5000 mAh battery, curved display, Sony IMX766 main with OIS, 13 megapixel wide angle and likely a 2 megapixel filler. Shockingly, OnePlus is now joining the IR Blaster party, and this image shows IR Blaster is on top of the OnePlus 11R, so it is super fun to use in public and I can say it is the best part of this device. So without any doubt, the 11R is looking like a flagship killer with max out specifications but last gen chip. Now for those who want an expensive device with better cameras, max out display resolution and latest and greatest 8 Gen 2 chip, can pick the OnePlus 11. Yeah, just cannot wait to see the OS 13.1 changes and how ray tracing is gonna work. For some who missed, OnePlus is now promising 5 years of security patches and 4 years of major OS, so I guess the 11R and 11 is gonna be part of this long-term software scope. So yeah, again, two devices coming in with the best in class specifications, curved display, IR Blaster and OS 13.1. This all guys, thanks so much.